about?
I just got kicked off all my sports teams because I'm failing school.
Junior! What the you think you're doing? Lynn Marie Loud Junior! What the you think you're doing? So let me get this straight! You just walked in, screamed to the top of your lungs, punched a hole in the drywall, and then what? Over what? What the you think you're doing? You just walked in! What do you think you're doing? Over what? Over what? Over what? Because your ass wanted to procrastinate? Because your ass wanted to procrastinate? Yeah, I'm saying it! Over what? Because your ass wanted to slack. You wanted to procrastinate. And now what? Now what? It's our f***ing fault. You walk in the goddamn door and you victimize your whole f***ing family. This is not the energy I want in the f***ing loud house. This is not what we're raised to f***ing do. Lynn, do you f***ing hear me? F***ing look at me! Do you hear me? Is this what we f***ing raised each other to do? Huh? Take our in-ground on our own f***ing family, on our own f***ing house? Huh? Ah! F***ing listen to me, Lynn! Listen to me! I let you off the hook too many f***ing times for you to act like this, for you to behave like this, for you to walk around the f***ing house like this. Fix that f***ing wall! No! Fix it! No! Fix it! No! Fix it! No! Fix it! No! You f***ing figure this out, Lynn! You figure this f***ing shit out! Motherfucker! I don't care what you gotta f***ing do! I don't care what the f*** you got to do, motherfucker! Ask Lana for help! Or something. I don't f***ing know. Not my f***ing problem. Cause I don't walk around punching holes in the f***ing wall! Ah! It's so f***ing easy, Lynn! Yeah! How do you like that, Lynn? You want me to walk around the f***ing house screaming all the time? You don't see me walking around the house screaming all the time! I don't do that because I appreciate and respect the boundaries of